This video is about the importance of class sponsors with EventNjudge. So once you go to eventnjudge.com, log in, and once logged in, go to the event that you desire to have sponsorships. So we'll look at, and then you can edit judging classes, and under a judging class, when you bring down the menu, there is a class sponsor. So this list of class sponsors comes from the event page, businesses that actually are a vendor or a sponsor. So this one has Outlaw Diesel. Now if we go back to the event page and we search for that class, find, so the diesel, other diesels, this class now has a picture of Outlaw Diesel as the sponsor. This sponsor will also show up on the certificate for this class. So we'll open that up in a new window, and you can see that this certificate has the classes sponsored by. We go back to the event page. Also, the QR sheet, we'll open that up in a new tab. When this is printed, you'll notice that up in the corner, this class is sponsored by Outlaw Diesel. Mopar class is sponsored by the Purple Heart. So the Purple Heart will show up on its certificates, class sponsored by, and the certificate has the Hellcat day of in the background. And then I know this almost looks the same, but you see that this car in the background is slightly different because this is a different car. So this is Frank's Challenger in the background. Once again, class sponsored by. Also, if you look at these QR sheets, these QR sheets will be sponsored by the Purple Heart right here. So it's encouragement to get when you have a car show for you to sell sponsorships, and you can get their logo on multiple sheets of paper around the show.